Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use the PlayStation 5 camera in Sharefactory. So let's go ahead, jump in the video right now. So I'm on the home screen of the PlayStation 5, and I'm going to go ahead and launch Sharefactory Studios. Now, if you don't have this, go to the search icon right here and type in Share, and it should pop up. Boom, here it is. Sharefactory Studio, and this is a free video editor on the PlayStation 5, and it's already installed for me, so let's play the game. Now you can actually live stream this if you want to go ahead and do that because it is considered a game. So let's go to video editor and start new project. Now choose the theme you want. You can go ahead and download new themes as well. I'm going to choose the one in the middle, the Sharefactory Studios Creator Pack. And then I'm going to uncheck mark the intro, the title, and the outro, etc. Then I'm going to choose a clip down here. So let's choose one of these Call of Duty clips. And then press square to add it to my timeline. And go to continue. You can rename it your project if you want. Now my timeline has a video clip on it. Now you can easily use your camera in Sharefactory by pressing X. And then going to add track 2. Now you can see my camera in the screen right now. I'm waving. You can go to triangle and you can edit the camera settings by pressing square, and you can pan and zoom on certain locations in your room. You can back out of the screen, and then you go to camera tuning where you can adjust the sharpness, contrast, hue, and saturation if you want to add more color to your camera. Now you can press X and you can go to a cutout and add a backdrop like the clouds, etc. like that. And you go to the settings in here as well and go to your backdrop and you can replace it to something entirely different. So let's go to the fire right now. So you can play around with this and be creative, and you can record this specific screen right here at any point in time as well. So you can press X now and then you can go to record, and this is going to record an entire full screen video. So let's go to record. Now I'm recording on the PlayStation 5, so this is very cool. Now you can press X to stop at any point in time. Now this is going to add it as a layout. However, you can add this as a full video clip on your track 1. So if I back out and play this, in the upper right, that is the track 2. The gameplay in the background, that is track 1. Now I can get rid of that track 2 at any point in time. So let's go to edit track 2. Once you press square under the main setting menu here, then go to track 2, and then you can press square again, and then you can go to delete clip, and boom, delete it. Now if I go back to my track 1, the overlay in the upper right is not there. Then I can go to X, and then go to add clip, and scroll down, and press X on one of these video clips down here, and you can see my camera recorded full screen. However, when you record full screen like that, the overlay will not go ahead and be there, the backdrop and etc. It'll just be your face and whatever you recorded on your screen. But you can add that to your track 1 and then go into your gameplay and still record a track 2. Now you can go ahead and continue to edit from here if you want to pan, zoom, etc. Add overlays, or split your clip. So let's go back to my track 2 under here. Hello, there's my flame again. So if I record a track 2 real quick, just recording another track 2, press X and stop this. You can move the track 2 position by pressing square under here and go to PIP layout. And you can change it to something else. So if I want to go to side by side instead of the upper right side of the screen, I can. So now my camera will be side to side, just like that. So it's very easy to use this feature, and you can change it at any point in time by pressing square, go to edit track 2, and then square again, PIP layout, maybe even do offset or full screen right here. So let's go to offset. This is what offset will look like. Then you can add filters, a different layout, increase the clip volume, move it, trim it, etc. from here. So there's a bunch of different options. Then don't forget to add some music or transitions or different filters to your main timeline as well. So that's a quick overview on how to use the camera on Sharefactory on your PlayStation 5. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.